Chekov is a static vulnerability analysis tool which you can use to analyze your infrastructure as code templates for any vulnerabilities. And for the infrastructure as code technologies, there are various options like Terraform, Cloudformation, Kubernetes Manifest, and a lot of others. So the installation of Chekov is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is to use pip install chekov or pip3 install chekov, and that should do it. For the website, or if you want to get the source code, you can go to this site chekov.io, and as you can see on your screen, it is just pip3 install chekov to install it. Once that's done, now let's see how you can analyze your Terraform template and a Kubernetes manifest by using chekov. So let me open my VS code where I already have installed the chekov, and for the analysis I already have a small Terraform template which I'm going to analyze with chekov. So for that you need to do chekov dash dash file and then the name of your Terraform file. You can not only do one file, you can do multiple files by separating them with a space, or you could run it on your directory or folder. So once I run the chekov dash dash file first ec2.tf, it should it is right now analyzing it for any vulnerabilities, and then it will give me an output as which checks have passed and which checks have failed. So let's wait for it. Okay, so the analysis is in progress, and as you can see, it has given me an output about the test it has run. Let's quickly go through its output. As you can see, first it is showing me the logo and then the version and then the scan results. First, it shows me how many checks have passed, how many failed, and if it skipped any checks, which we can also configure. So it is just following the best practices from AWS and Terraform because I'm using it in AWS. And there are a lot of checks which it has passed, that okay, no security groups have allowed ingress from this internet and all that stuff. Then if you keep going down, there are a few failed checks. Because I was using a very vanilla EC2 configuration, it is showing me that monitoring is not enabled where it should be, and then so on and so forth, which you can go at your leisure. Let me also run it on a Kubernetes manifest. So as you can see in this manifest file, I have again configured a very simple deployment, and now the chekov is working on this Kubernetes manifest YAML file to see if there are any issues, and it has found a lot of issues as per the best practices, that I'm not minimizing the admission of pod, no network policy, because it's a very simple manifest file. So as I said, you can not only run it on single file, you can run it on multiple files, or even on all your repo directories. And then you can also check the version of your checkoff and make sure to keep it updated so that you would um, get the latest updates in the vulnerability section, because these vulnerabilities are evolving on everyday basis. So this is about it. If you have, and I'll put the link in the video's description too. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.